Hi, this is Mike Crimmins from the University of Arizona. I'm a climatologist with Arizona Cooperative Extension, focusing on agriculture and natural resources management. I've been working with rangeland managers in the Southwest for the past 15 years. This video will provide a quick overview of the myRAINge log website, a tool for helping to monitor precipitation on rangelands. Precipitation monitoring is a key rangeland management tool. In a collaborative drought planning project we did with ranchers and land managers back in 2015, we heard that more rain gauges in key areas would help with monitoring for drought impacts and triggering management decisions. Simple, capped PVC gauges that measure cumulative precipitation over time can be effective rain gauges at remote locations. Cumulative precipitation observations can be collected at any time interval, and gauges are often read during annual vegetation monitoring events at key sites. University of Arizona Cooperative Extension has been working with ranchers and land managers to develop best practices in constructing, placing, and reading rain gauges, and managing and utilizing these observations. myRAINge log was co-developed with these partners and designed specifically to support the collection, management, and interpretation of cumulative precipitation observations at remote sites. myRAINge log is a free account-based online tool that works on desktop web browsers and smartphones alike. A single account can have unlimited gauges. With a single account, unlimited gauges can be displayed on a gauge dashboard with an example shown here. This view gives a quick look at when data was last entered at each gauge, as well as totals for the time period specified at the top of the page. Gauges are easily added through a guided interface where site information, photos, and a map location are entered. New observations can be added to any gauge by clicking the plus button. Each gauge has its own log page that can be accessed by clicking on its link on the main dashboard. On the log page, past observations are shown on the left side, while a plot of cumulative total precipitation for the specified time period is shown in the center of the page. From this page, you can also access a detailed report of precipitation observations. Several additional settings are also available on this log page, including setting gauge observations to be public or private, the units to display observations in, and an interface to invite others to contribute to and help manage this gauge. A gauge report accessible from the log page generates a plot of historical cumulative precipitation totals at different percentiles as a reference climatology for this gauge location and time period. This is based on the gridded daily prism precipitation product available for all locations in the continental US from 1981 to present. Actual site observations are plotted with near real-time prism observations as well. The bottom of the report page includes any notes and photos logged with each observation. All data from shared gauges are available through the public map on the site. Clicking on a gauge will show how many observations are available and when the last observation was made. Clicking on the View Report button will bring up the report page for that gauge. myRAINge log is also smartphone ready and will operate as an app on Android and iPhone devices. It has a syncing feature that allows the app to work even when cell service is lost at remote areas. Observations can be entered that will sync with your account when service is restored. Thanks for your interest in myRAINge log. You can find the tool at this URL and can contact me, Mike Crimmins, at this email with any questions or suggestions.